Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I would like us to have a look at this variable frequency drive. In front of us, we've got a MicroMaster 440 from Siemens. So one of the first things you do when you commission this variable speed drive is to do a motor identification. It's also called the motor ID run. So today I want to take you through that process. There are two ways to go about doing this. You can do it from this operator panel, but you can also use the Siemens starter software. Let's start with the operator panel. So you start by inserting the motor parameters as stated in the motor nameplate. Now, coming to the motor ID run, there are just three important parameters. The first parameter is parameter P10. P10 is to switch your drive from ready state to commissioning state. Then the second parameter is the actual parameter for the motor identification. It's parameter 1910. You have many options. By default, it will be on 0, but you're going to put it on 1 for a standard ID run. But there are other types of ID runs that you can do. You're going to see when you get to option 1, option 2, option 3, and so on. All other parameters that you saw as I was scrolling down are based on the motor rating, like the current rating, the speed rating, the voltage, and so on. So yeah, once you are done changing P10 and P1910, you start your motor, you let your ID run. Then when it's done, it's gonna put a message there on the screen, motor ID run successful. Okay, let's move over to the software, guys. So with the software, we're gonna open Dynamic Starter software, and then we want to identify the drive that we want to work on. So the drive that we're going to be working on is in a Profibus network. So the Profibus segment in this case is AS3-10, and then it's address number 29. So we're going to go back to the starter software and work on that device. All right, let's proceed. There's our device. It's address number 29. So we're going to click there on top to connect. These are all the parameters that are available, which you can work on. It's going to be green like that when it's connected. And then we can look for the motor rating parameters. And then if we want to do the ID run, we can again look for parameter P10 and P9010, the same way we did that other side. Once you are comfortable with the starter software, it becomes easier to work with it, because you can even check your alarm history. You can even take control of the motor, start it from here, and do many other things that you cannot do from outside. For a more detailed video, check our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.